Living in a very busy world, the first thing I look up to after waking up in the morning is a fresh cup of SuperLife Super Root Coffee. The aroma of the smooth taste flavors of the coffee is accompanied by the aromatic fragrance of premium Arabica coffee bean, which is made by a traditional technique with constant modern quality control programs. SuperLife Super Root Coffee is made from 100% premium Arabica coffee bean, infused with 3 special ingredients: tiger milk mushrooms, a long-lost traditional medicine to improve one's respiratory system, maca, a very popular ingredient known for boosting energy level. Finally, Tongkat Ali, a promising treatment to improve muscle strength. Throughout the day, I'm living in a busy life. I carry a box of SuperLife Super Root Coffee with me so that either in a business meeting or just meeting with a casual friend, I can still share a cup of goodness with others. Make your life super with a cup of Super Root Coffee.